the GOAT. It is the GOAT of all helicopters. It is the GOAT. It is the GOAT.
Flashback.
Oh, oh. He was trying to tell me I'm broken. He's really broken now. But I think we can save you still.
A few moments later.
I wanted to fly. It flew. It's all right here. All right, go hover. Tail is broken. You see that? Bro, it's crazy. Go. Oh, come on. It was like, let me just kill myself. I'm done. Off with it. It's doing. Oh, man. The tail is broken.
2 very boring minutes later.
If it flies after this thing is the GOAT. This will be the GOAT of all little tiny helicopters. Can we bind? Oh, we bind. We're bound. It's flying. It is the GOAT. It is the GOAT. It is the GOAT. It is the GOAT of all helicopters. It is the GOAT. It is the GOAT. It is the. Can we land it safely? I don't think we can land it.